How many guys, how many of you guys remember the rocket sound? They used to make some variety of IMs. Mostly there's dual B IM back in 2017 and 18 was sorry 16 and 17 was the best $200 balanced armature IM at that point of time, and it was excellent for the price. There was nothing that was better than that, and got excellent reviews from everyone. Now, Rocket has changed its name. They have become Acoustics, and this is their R220 and 210. I was told that, yeah, that's the case. That should be the case. Let's see. I'll make a single video of it. No discrimination there. So this is R220 and this is R110. Okay, so I have received R110 and 220. The 220 goes directly head on with the ET series and is not expensive. Strangely, these 2B IMs are priced reasonably at $220-$230, and I really like this kind of design against the ET. ET is very good too, but this one has slightly different kind of feel to it. Nice. They could have just gone ahead with this thing, but let's see what are the details. There is R220 dual reference balanced armature, 4 mm omnidirection. Okay, so these IMs are with microphones. We are getting Complite T100 in-ear silicon gel tips, super fin ear interface, then Surefire. Acha, this is Surefire in-ear interface. I don't know what they mean by interface, but these are some wing kind of structure. Nice, very good. Small in size, very similar to the ER2 XR, but I believe this should be more comfortable than the ER2 XR. ER2 was not uncomfortable, but thanks to this more suppler and more premium cable, this is very good cable. Wow, I was expecting it to be on the stiffer side, but look at this, man. Excellent looking cables. Very good looking cables. Very good. Oof. Mind blowing. Some of the best cable I have seen under this price range. Very supple. Wow, this pure copper cable should be good. The quality looks marvelous. Look at this. Barely any memory problem. You guys can see barely any memory problem. And this is the microphone controller. Good. Nice. Let's check it. This is MMCX. The body very similar to the ET. Same nozzle diameter too. So if you have a ET, this will fit perfectly. So, oh come on. Okay, So that's it. There's the IEM. Let's see what else. There is a pair of comply, that silicone tips, and those wings. That's it. This is the pouch. Nice. Is there anything here? Cleaning tool maybe? No cleaning tool here. ET I think provides a cleaning tool. What is this? User manual. So no, we do not need to have a look at the user manual. There isn't anything enlightening here, so let's set this aside. I'm very curious about this because I would like to know how this will compare with the recently released Satsuma. I have the Satsuma 2, so I'm very curious about the comparison of these two IEMs. Similarly priced, 200 $230. Satsuma is 200, this is 230. So very curious about how this 220 will compare with the Satsuma. That's a single BA, but that should not be a problem at all. Similarly priced, so the performance should be comparable. This is the R110. This is a single BA driver, micro reference BA, 50 ohm. This was more reasonable at 29 ohm. You guys can see this is a bit more resistive here. 50 ohm is on the more harder side to drive for mobile phones. I'm expecting similar kind of accessories because there are a lot of brands who like to pack things similarly. They do not want to change the set of accessories they are providing. So this one has the wings pre-installed and is a more conventional over the ear kind of style here. Same packaging, same cable, exactly same cable. So I showed you guys the cable, so I'll not be diving into that. Exactly same cable, very good looking, very supple cable, one of the most supple cable I have seen in a long time. This is the nozzle. Come on. And can we see the BA driver here? No, it's not exposed. It's in a capsule kind of stuff, so that's okay. All right, nothing wrong with this. Some similar set of accessories, wings, tips, and a pair of comply. That's good. That's perfectly fine. Similar set of accessories. So this is the unboxing of Acoustix IEMs 110 and 220. Priced at this one is, I think this one is priced at $110, not more. I do not have many BA driver IEMs in this price range, but this should be a very good comparison to the SA3 too. So let's see. I'll be comparing these IEMs in a couple of weeks. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.